Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm super excited to introduce you to my new collection with Spellbinders, Yana's Tulips. This is the spring collection for 2026, and I am really happy with how these products in this collection turned out. This is designed for spring cards, birthday cards, tulips. This collection was inspired by my trips to the Netherlands. I have been to the Netherlands a couple of times already to demo at a wonderful Doeding store. And every time I go to the Netherlands, I just feel inspired. I come back so happy and rejuvenated and full of ideas and full of creative energy. So that creative energy transformed into this collection. You will see that I have a lot of tulips, I have some windmills, and I have some daffodils. So this is a small collection. I have 2 BetterPress plates to create backgrounds for your cards. I have layering stencils that go together with the BetterPress plates. I have a set of BetterPress sentiments with the coordinating dies with the sentiments that specifically work with these images. And then I even have a little tulip die. So this collection is more BetterPress heavy, but I do have a die included here as well for those of you who still enjoy die cutting. I mean, I still enjoy die cutting, but you know me, I also love my BetterPress. So let's go ahead and take a look at the products in this collection. I will also say that this collection is available as a bundle in the Spellbinders store. And when you get the bundle, when you get all, I should say 5 products, you get the Yana's Tulip die set. It's the die set that I used to create these tulips. It is this set. It's just 2 dies. You get that for free included in that bundle. Now, I will also say I am filming this video in the middle of January. Why am I doing it so early? Well, I need to take these cards with this collection to a Frankfurt show that I'm going to in a couple of weeks at the beginning of February. So I already have the cards. I might as well film the video to show you the new collection, to introduce you to all the new things. But because I'm filming so early, details of the launch might change a couple of days before the launch. So right now, as I'm filming, I know that there's going to be a bundle and that the tulip die set is going to be a free gift in that bundle. As far as I know, it's not going to be available separately, only as a part of that bundle. But again, that might change, and I will have the most relevant, the most up-to-date information in the video description below. Okay. Let's go ahead and start with my favorite, I guess, although they are all favorite of mine. Let's start with tulips and daffodils. So this is a BetterPress plate. You can press with it and you can foil with it, as with all of the BetterPress plates from Spellbinders. This plate is available separately, or you can also purchase the plate with in a little bundle with the coordinating stencils, layering stencils. When you get the stencils, you're able to color the tulips and the daffodils easily. You can, of course, also color these using your favorite mediums, such as markers, pencils, watercolors. But if you prefer the easier coloring, if you prefer the stenciling, we do have the stencil set available. Now, let me go ahead and show you a couple of cards that I created with the daffodils and tulips. So this is one of the cards that I created. I did creative ink blending because I have some petals in pink and then some petals in yellow, and I also used teals and greens for the leaves. So a very simple but beautiful design. Next, I have this one. So on this card, I only foiled the plate once in the center of my panel, and this is sized to work on A2 or 4A2. Let me show you. This card is 4¼ by 5½ inches. So you can see how this panel or this BetterPress plate fits on the A2 panel. It is designed to take the entire space of an A2 panel. Now on this card, I foiled this twice to, create a different arrangement. I shifted the plate slightly to the side and I did partial foiling, and then I flipped it and foiled another piece at the top here. So this gave me 2 clusters And again, I used stencils to color those. I have the pink tulips, or rather the yellow tulips and the pink daffodils. You'll see that my color combination is pretty much the same in all of these cards. Next, I have another card where I foiled this using Aura foil. I actually really like this foil color lately. But I foiled this on the Spellbinders chiffon cardstock. You can see that the background here is not white. So this is white, this is chiffon. You can also use this plate, foil it on colored cardstock, and if the color of the cardstock you're using is light enough, you'll be able to apply the ink over it and have a nice result. I also tried a couple of panels. So I tried this one. This is also chiffon. I tried slightly different approach, different kind of ink blending. Didn't quite like that. And then here's another panel where I foiled it on white, and then I used my Olo markers to color the background and color the flowers. I didn't particularly like this, so I kind of gave up. But this is another just another idea to give you. So we have that. Next, I have this panel. Again, this is very simple, just foiled in the center, stenciled with or colored rather, with the stencils. And then I added a little bit of ink blending here at the very bottom. Here is, by the way, another card where, again, I added that same type of ink blending, and even one more card, again, with the same type of ink blending, but then the ink blending is in the top right-hand side corner. So this kind of creates the illusion that a colored cardstock was used for this background. Now, this plate, this BetterPress plate, the Tulips and Daffodils, it is a regular plate. It is not like some of my reverse plates where you would foil the background and then the negative space would form the design. So with those plates, you were able to add color to the background of your images. With this plate, you cannot. You only do the outline. And you can choose whichever color of foil or ink you use for that outline. Here's one where I did in black. This is black foil. It might look like it was BetterPressed, but this is actually black foil on BetterPress cardstock, and it just looks stunning. So this is a quick look at the Tulips and Daffodils BetterPress plate and the layering stencils. I feel like there's five layers to this set. Next, we have Tulips and Windmills, and this is like iconic Netherlands to me. It looks so pretty. It is just absolutely amazing. I went on a little excursion to the Windmills, and I'm telling you guys, the weather wasn't, it was chilly. It was like no, it was actually beginning of December, so it was very chilly, but we had wonderful weather. We had blue skies and sunshine, and the grass was green, and the windmills were green. You'll see that in my cards in a second. And to me, that just looked picture perfect. And I wanted to capture that moment and translate that in a BetterPress plate and give it to you guys so you can kind of experience a little bit of that as well. And maybe like go on a little trip with me as well and enjoy the beauty of the Netherlands. So here is a first card that I created. You can see that we have the beautiful windmills in the top portion of our card. We have the sky. The little lines here, that's the wind. So you can, that the wind is blowing and the windmills are turning. You also have some clouds in the sky, creating a beautiful scenery, some little bushes or trees in the background. Then we have a nice yellow field in front of the windmills. That's a field of yellow tulips. And then in the foreground, we have another tulip field. And here, for these tulips, I used very pale yellow color to, create almost white tulips. And then I just added a sentiment on top. So this is my Tulips and Windmills BetterPress plate. And the sentiment here reads, "Wishing you a birthday that blooms as beautifully as a tulip in spring." And even though this card is all about tulips, with this sentiment, it can be an all year round card. You can give this card to somebody whose birthday is in fall, but you're still wishing them a birthday that blooms as beautifully as a tulip in spring. So I really love that sentiment. Here is another card, very similar to this one. I use very similar colors, but here I experimented with the windmill colors because I did see some other colored windmills along the way. Some yellow, some pink. I'm telling you guys, these windmills come in so many different colors. And then to kind of color match and coordinate, I created the tulips in pink as well. And then this card says, sending you a bouquet of hugs, because we have tulips and you can put them in a bouquet. Love this. And then here is one more card where I have yellow orange tulips with the pink in the background. So imagine that we have, here I have like dark green in the background, here I have pink. So imagine like you have additional pink tulips already blooming in the background amongst the sea of the yellow tulips. And the sentiment here says, your kindness makes the world blossom, because the tulips are blossoming. So this is the Tulips in Windmills BetterPress plate. Again, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but you can buy this separately, or you can buy this with a set of stencils to do all of this beautiful coloring, or you can decide to color this by hand. Totally up to you what you want to do. I just wanted to make it easier for you guys to color everything. Here is actually another panel that I started working on where I foiled the windmills. Like I foiled this plate partially. I only wanted the top portion to create like a sort of a different type of card. I wanted this free from any foiling. I haven't finished it yet, but I just wanted to show you like this as another example. Okay, and the last but not least, we have a set of BetterPress sentiments in this collection, and these are designed specifically to work with the tulips and the daffodils and the flowers, but you can also use them separately. So we have Missing You Dearly. Again, this can be used with anything, although I did design it with, with this plate in mind. So you can have this foiled background and then add like Missing You Dearly sentiment at the top or in the center. Then we have Sending You a Bouquet of Hugs. We just saw that on this card. Love it. And you can also use it with this plate with the tulips and daffodils. Next we have Thank You for Helping Me Grow. Again, we have flowers that are growing on cards on both, on both designs, on both plates, and this sentiment works with both of them. Next, we have Your Kindness Makes the World Blossom. Again, such a beautiful and timeless sentiment that you can use on many different projects. And then the last but not least, again, because I never have enough birthday cards, I needed to include a birthday sentiment. So here we have one that says, wishing you a birthday that blooms as beautifully as a tulip in spring. So that's a look at my Yana's Tulip collection with Spellbinders launching in March 2026. I have links to all of the products that I mentioned in the video description below. You can click those links to shop these products if you're interested. Thanks so much for joining me. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time, hopefully with some detailed videos looking at these products.